Best Schwinn 430 elliptical machine. Who are the ideal users of this product? For indoor workout facility. There are some guys who can't go to the outdoor gym. For them, this one provides an opportunity to do a workout at home. Those who want to increase cardio. Increasing cardio is indeed an important issue regarding sound health. This equipment comes with appropriate facility to exercise your cardio. The people who weigh less than 300 pounds. Along with this device, people less than 300 pounds can do a perfect workout. The ergonomic design can lead towards a successful workout session. Features and benefits. Great workout facility along with 22 preset programs, provides 13 display feedbacks through dual track system, data export along with goal tracking keeps you up to date, 20 level resistance encourages sound and smooth operation. Pros. Provides greater stability for a workout with the center frame support. Keeps you challenged along with 2 separate settings for the user. Offers easy and effortless mobility through transportation wheels. Comes with 1 USB charging port and also, data exchange facility. Features cooling fans as well as a holder for keeping water bottle. Cons. Weight about 300 pounds may break the wheels or the legs. Defective resistance may trigger unusual and annoying sound. Offers less inclination along with proper manual adjustment. Thanks for watching. For more information click the link below.